Hi, welcome to our class. This is lesson 7, age word problems. You ready to solve some problems with Andy? Shall we? Let's go. Question number 1. Susan is 6 years old. Susan's brother is 1 year older. Susan's sister is 1 year younger. What is the sum of the ages of the 3 siblings? So, we know that Susan is 6. And Susan's brother is 1 year older. So that means Susan's brother will be 6 plus 1. Here we go. 7. Susan's brother is 7 years old. So, Susan's sister, 1 year younger. That means Susan is older, of course. So, 1 year younger, you will use 6 minus 1. So you get 5. So sister is 5. Now, try to get the sum of the 3 numbers. 7 plus 6 plus 5. You know how to solve this problem, right? Write it here. 7 plus 6 plus 5 is 18. So we know the sum of the ages of the 3 siblings is 18. Where is it? There you go. So well done if you picked the same option. So this is how you solve this age word problem. 1 year older, you need to add 1. 1 year younger, you need to minus 1. Okay, now let's work on the second question. Tim is 8 years old and Sally is 4 years old. How old will Sally be when Tim is 14 years old? Okay, how do we solve it? We can write it here. Tim is 8. Sally is 4. So you need to find how old is Sally when Tim is 14. How do you do this? We know that the age difference between Tim and Sally will never change. So what is the age difference? We know Tim is older than Sally. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. So Tim is 4 years older than Sally. Or you may say Sally is 4 years younger than Tim. And then we know the age difference will never change, will stay the same. So when Tim is 14, Sally is 4 years younger. So how old will Sally be? 14 minus 4. This is the age difference equals 10. So we know Sally will be 10 when Tim is 14. Which is the one? D. Congratulations if you have the same value. Alright, this is how you solve the age word problem. For the second one, You know that the age difference will never change, and then you can use the age difference to find the unknown age. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!